Hi guys, it's Gloria. We're having hailstorm today. I will show ya. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, my glass. It's getting big. Don't get big. This is our place. It's like a province. We're not in a city. Oh my goodness, look at that. Those are ice, guys. Or is it ice? It's a small ice that's flat, but when gets down to the ground, it's gonna be water. Look, 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 look. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy when it's raining. But this is not rain. This is ice. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Alright. Check that out, guys. Oh my goodness. Yes, those are, if you see when it drops on the ground, look at those. Those are ice. It hurts a little bit when it hits on your body. Oh my goodness. It actually makes me happy, but it's a little cold. Look at my sleeves here. Look at my sleeves. So yeah, look at that, guys. It's scary. It's a hailstorm. Those are, look at my sleeves. We got a little bit of pea size. We call this pea size ice. So right there. it will melt when it drops on the floor. Yeah, but if it gets big, it's not good for the car. It can ruin our car. So yeah, here is our place, guys. And right now we're having a hailstorm. Ooh, it's really cold here. Well, sorry, I am so happy when it's raining. But yeah, there you go. I'm so happy with the rain. How was that? Yes. Oh my god, did you hear that noise, guys? Isn't it relaxing? Look at the sky. Yeah, those noises are so relaxing. I love it. You see what I'm talking about? Look at my sleeves. The pea-size ice already melt on my jacket. This is a tin jacket, so I'm getting cold now. I'm going in. Hubby's watching me. So there you go, guys. That is our weather for today. Make me so happy. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hubby is right there at the door standing. Share, comment, and subscribe on this channel, Tinker Wonderland. I hope you enjoy watching this video. To my current subscriber, thank you again for staying with me. Thank you for stopping by and to watch this video. To my Filipino subscribers, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at sa inyong pagtangkilik. Kung di pa po kayo nakaka-subscribe, subscribe na po kayo sa channel namin, Tinker Wonderland. And again, guys, I will see you all on the next video. Thank you all for watching. God bless everyone. Bye-bye for now. See you on the next vlog.